Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a topic from a grammar book which is named as Adverbs. Before moving ahead towards the definition of adverbs, I am going to tell you about the adjective which you have done earlier. Adjectives are the words which describes a noun or a pronoun. These are also called as describing words like hot, red, many, much, etc. These all are the adjectives. Just like adjective, adverbs also define something. We are going to learn about it. In the part of speech, adverb plays an important role. Let us see what is the role. Here we are going to know what the adverbs are. Basically, most adverbs tell you how, where, or when something is done. In other words, they describe the manner, place, or time of an action. Look at here the definition. Adverbs describe how, where, when something is done. Something is done means action which a subject does. That when that action is done, that action is described by a word. That particular word is called as an adverb. Just like adjectives which describes a noun, adverbs describes an action. Adverbs describes an action. There is difference between adjective and adverb. That adjective describes a noun or a pronoun and adverbs describes any action word. It tells us they describe the manner, place or time of an action. Commonly, adverbs are formed from adjective. We are familiar with the adjectives. Basically, adverbs are formed with those adjective only. We are learning it here. Kind. She is kind. Kind is describing she, a pronoun. But if we put ly in the end, it becomes an adverb. Happy, this is an adjective, and happily, it is an adverb. Wonderful, adjective, wonderfully, adverb. Loud, adjective, loudly, adverb. Sad, adjective, sadly, adverb. Beautiful, beautifully. Sweet, sweetly. These are the list of adjectives and these are the list of adverbs. So here we learned that any word, if we put ly in the end, if we add ly in the end, then that will become an adverb. Many adverbs end with ly. Many of the adverbs end with ly. You make these adverbs by adding ly to the adjectives. Some words that end in the ly are not adverbs. Here you have to remember that many of the words are here which ends with the ly, but those are not adverbs. Look at the examples. Sam was feeling lonely. Sam was feeling lonely. So lonely, it is ending with ly, but it is not an adverb. She was wearing a lovely dress. Lovely is also ending with ly. It was very lively party. These are the words which are ending with ly, but these are adjectives. Now let us learn about the kinds of adverbs. First of all, adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time, adverb of frequency and adverb of purpose or reason. These are the 5 kind of adverb we are going to learn about. First is adverb of manner. Adverb of manner, it describes in which manner an action is done. Adverb of manner describes in which manner the action is done. Adverb of place, it describes where an action is done. It describes the place of an action. Place of an action is described by adverb of place. Adverb of time. Adverb of time, it describes when the action is done. When the action is done, described by adverb of time. Adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency, it shows how many times an action is done. Frequency, how many times one thing has been done, how many frequently we are doing the action. That is described by adverb of frequency. Then adverb of purpose or reason, it describes the purpose or reason for the action. These are the kinds of adverbs. Adverb of manner, place, time, frequency, purpose or reason. Now kinds of adverb, two more kinds are there: quantity or degree, affirmative or negative. Quantity, it shows how much or in what degree or to what extent, how much time the action is done, what is the degree of action. Affirmative or negative, it says yes if it is yes and no if it is no. These are the kinds of adverb. Now let's read it one by one. Adverb of place. Some adverbs and adverb phrases answer the question where. When you find the answer of where in the sentence, that sentence is called as adverb of place, where the action has been done. Like the boys are playing upstairs, where the boys were playing upstairs. So this is adverb of place. The dog is in the garden, where is the dog? You are also finding the answer of where here. So this is also the adverb of place. We are going to New York City on our school trip. Where you are going for the school trip? To the New York City. Again adverb of place. It is very sunny day but cold outside. Again we are answering the question where here. Adverb of place, some more example. I have lived here about 2 years. English and German are closely related. It marks still in the, is Mark still in the bed? Is Mark still in the bed? Where is the mark? ठीक है, question mark, interrogative adverb. His children go everywhere with him. So these are also the adverb of place. Adverb of manner. Some adverb and adverb phrases describe the way people do things, how we are, in which manner we are doing the things, how we are doing the things. It tells us the manner. It tells us the manner of doing things. For example, the girl answered all the questions correctly. He was driving carelessly. The plane landed safely. Ramu plays guitar skillfully. You have noticed here that all the adverbs are ending with ly. All the adverbs are ending with ly. Most of the adverb of manner ends with ly. So those are the adverb of manner. Examples: they watched carefully. The flower was beautifully made up. She seemed faintly. The team played wonderfully. These are the example of adverb of manner. Adverb of frequency. How frequent we do the action, how often an action is done. The children always go to the school on the bus. I'll never make that mistake again. I clean my bedroom every day. Dad polished his shoes twice a week. So these are the frequency of the action, how many times or how frequent we are doing the action. That is called adverb of frequency. Always, never, every day, twice a week. These all are the adverb of frequency. Adverb of time. When you found the answer of when the action was done, when the action was done, then that will be called as adverb of time. Like the train had already left. We moved into a new house last week. When did you move? So last week. So this is adverb of time. Our favorite TV program starts at 6 o'clock. I'm going to my new school tomorrow. These are the adverb of time. Some more examples. We shall leave now. Begin to work. He called here a few minutes ago. I have spoken to him yesterday. He comes here daily. Mrs. Gupta formerly lived here. So these are the adverbs of time. Next is adverb of quantity. It shows how much or in what degree do or to what extent. To what extent? Quantity. It shows the quantity. He was too careless. He was careless. It is careless is the adjective. He was too careless. बहुत ज़्यादा careless है वो. तो it is showing the quantity or the degree. The sea is very stormy. I'm rather busy. I'm fully prepared. These mangoes are almost ripe. These are the adverb of quantity. Adverb of reason. The adverb which tells about a reason is called adverb of reason. He is hence unable to refute the charge. He therefore left the school. So these are when you found the reason, those are adverb of reasons or purpose. Examples of adverbs are here. She sings sweetly. He speaks quite clearly. She shouts loudly. She smiled cheerfully. The traffic was moving slowly. She writes neatly. We waited patiently to see the doctor. These are the examples. Here are some more examples of different kinds of adverb. Go through these examples. Here are different kinds of examples of adverbs like adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of place. Go through these examples also. I hope you had understood it. Practice it. This is all about today. Thank you.